Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Airtable for tracking your freelance client communications, your 2025 full guide. Let's start by creating a base. Go to your main Airtable dashboard, click on Add a Base, and select Start from Scratch. The reason we do this is to create a central location for all your client communication records. Now that we've done that, let's create some tables. Click on Add a Table in your base. Each table will represent a different aspect of your client communications, like emails, calls, or meetings. This helps us because it allows us to categorize and find specific communications easily. Next up, let's add fields to our tables. Click on the plus sign next to the last field of your table and add fields like client name, date, status, notes, etc. This is vital because these fields will hold the details of your communications. Now let's link records. Click on a field and select Link to another record. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This will let you link a record in one table to a record in another table, creating a relationship between them. This is crucial for tracking the communication history of each client. With your base setup, start adding your client communications. Click on Add a Record in your table and fill in the details in the fields. The beauty of Airtable is its flexibility. You can customize it to suit your needs, whether you want to track emails, calls, meetings, or all of the above. And that's it. You've set up your Airtable for tracking client communications. Remember, the key is to consistently update your records. This will ensure you stay on top of your communications and never miss a beat with any client. Stay organized, stay ahead. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, keep freelancing smart.